Namaste. Myself Triveni Khurana, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostics. Today we are going to discuss about owner of Physiotherapy Equipment Agency. Physiotherapy involves the treatment of disorders, disabilities by evaluating, diagnosing and treating the diseases using physical methods. For the treatment of different types of disabilities and diseases, different types of equipments are used by physical therapists. These materials are known as physiotherapy equipments. Physiotherapy equipments are comprised of chair, bed, table on which the patient is made to sit, sleep depending on the form and the disease. Though there are many large medical supply companies, it is quite possible for a small independent medical supply business to find success in this industry. How? First, you have to target a niche and target market for your medical supply business. Contact your state's public health department or medical board to find out if you need to be licensed to sell the type of equipment you are interested in carrying. This is not required for all suppliers except those specializing in specific types of equipment. Second consideration is obtain the permits required in your city and state to start a retail business. This may include a sales and use tax permit, resale permit, assumed name certificate or doing business as or employer identification number. Third consideration is lease a commercial warehouse that is temperature controlled to store your inventory. Your storage facility will need to be clean and free of dust to prevent your supplies from becoming contaminated. Alternatively, a clean spare room or large closet that you dedicate solely to storing inventory would be suitable. Fourth consideration is establish wholesale accounts with distributors of equipment suitable for your niche. Buying wholesale is necessary to make a profit. Distributors can be found online in phone books and business directories. You will likely need to provide business documentation and order a minimum amount to open a wholesale business account. Next consideration, offer incentives for professionals to patronize your supply company. Example, you can offer discounted or free shipping, free delivery within your local area or volume discounts. Sixth consideration, market your supply business to medical professionals, especially those within the city. Send flyers and coupons, sponsor medical conventions or health fairs, and send news release to local medical associations and professional groups. Equipments or devices is referred to any instrument, appliance, material, machine, apparatus, implant or diagnostic reagent, or any part of accessory which is used or intended for the diagnosis, treatment, mitigation, cure, monitoring or prevention of disease, physical or mental condition or symptoms as notified in Gazette of India. Most commonly used devices manufacturing in India covered in are international prosthetic replacements, orthopedic implants, scalp vein set, heart valves, bone cements, IV cannulae, intraocular lenses, catheters, drug eliciting stents and cardiac stents. So, to start the physiotherapy equipment business, we should discuss on the equipment agencies of these medical devices. Now, what are the requirements for agency? First, factory premises. Next, competent technical staff, machinery and lab equipments, for office accessories, for machine man and workers, electrical supply, water supply, HVAC unit, sterilization unit, and NOC. It is required. Now, what is the license required? Company registration. In case of proprietorship, you may skip this process. Other than this, manufacturing license, laboratory license if needed, goods and service tax numbers. Now, the documents required for applying for manufacturing license of devices under application is to be submitted to licensing authority appointed by the state government or central government, including covering letter which have details and address of plant, list of documents and duly signed by an authorized person, prescribed forms duly filled and signed by the proprietor or managing partner or managing director or authorized person, fee challan in original remitting the requiring amount of fee in the head of account or original treasury challan, documents related to ownership of firm, blueprint of approved manufacturing premises plan or layout, full particulars of competent and regular technical staff for manufacturing and testing of device, along with the copies of educational qualification, experience certificate, appointment letter, acceptance letter and joining letter. Other than these, affidavits, site master file, list of devices intended to be manufactured, list of machinery and equipments, electricity connection documents, NOC if required, permission from health department or pollution department, certificate in conformity with Factories Act if any, and any other approvals and any other documents asked by licensing authority. In case of new device or not yet approved in India, the applicant has to submit a copy of necessary permission or NOC from the Controller General along with the application. All certificates submitted should be within the valid period. Now, competent technical staff requirement. Device manufacturing shall be conducted under supervision of full-time technical staff who may be a graduate, a diploma, or having a foreign qualification. Now, let's talk about the labeling of devices. Devices should be labeled as per requirements prescribed in Rule and Act along with Indian standard specification laid down from time to time by Bureau of Indian Standards. Now let's talk about sections of manufacture of devices. Device can be manufactured only in the licensed premises. A device manufacturing unit can be divided into molding. Molding section should have proper exhaust system if necessary. And next, assembling, including cutting, washing, drying, sealing, packing and labeling. The assembling area should be air conditioned. Next is raw materials, storage area, washing, drying and sealing area wherever required, and other testing facilities. What is the minimum recommended area for this agency? Molding requires 30 square meters. Assembling area requires 50 square meters. Additional area must be 20 square meters if any more than one type of device is manufactured in the same premises. Raw material area requires 10 square meters. Storage area requires 10 square meters for each facility. Washing, drying and sealing area requires 10 square meters. Sterilization area requires 10 square meters. Testing facilities records and miscellaneous works as per need. Thank you.